Bitcoin has captured the attention of investors and enthusiasts worldwide. Since its inception, Bitcoin has experienced significant price fluctuations, making it an attractive investment option for those seeking substantial returns. While the future of any investment is uncertain, there are three key developments on the horizon that have the potential to drive Bitcoin's price to new heights, including the elusive $100,000 mark. In this video, we will explore these developments and their potential impact on Bitcoin's value. The approval of a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund in the United States has been a highly anticipated event in the crypto community. A Bitcoin ETF would enable investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without the complexities of directly purchasing and storing the currency. It would provide a regulated and accessible investment vehicle for institutional and retail investors, potentially leading to a surge in demand. The impact of a Bitcoin ETF approval can be significant for several reasons. First, it would bring additional liquidity to the market, as institutional investors who may have been hesitant to directly invest in cryptocurrencies can now participate through a regulated ETF. Second, it would provide a sense of legitimacy to Bitcoin as an investment asset class, attracting a broader range of investors who prefer traditional investment vehicles. Lastly, the accessibility and convenience offered by an ETF could lead to increased adoption, driving up the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has often been referred to as digital gold due to its potential as a hedge against economic uncertainty and inflation. As global economic conditions become increasingly uncertain or inflation rates rise, investors seek alternative stores of value, and Bitcoin has emerged as a viable option. Several events can contribute to such conditions, potentially boosting Bitcoin's price. Economic crisis, geopolitical tensions, or central bank policies that devalue fiat currencies can all create an environment conducive to Bitcoin's growth. In times of economic uncertainty, investors may turn to Bitcoin as a safe haven asset. Furthermore, concerns about inflation eroding the value of traditional currencies can drive demand for Bitcoin as a decentralized and deflationary asset. Recent events such as the COVID-19, unprecedented government stimulus packages, and the potential devaluation of fiat currencies have highlighted the importance of alternative assets like Bitcoin. Should these events intensify or new factors emerge, it could drive investors toward Bitcoin, potentially pushing its price upwards, including the $100,000 mark. The integration of Bitcoin into global payment systems can significantly impact its price and adoption. As Bitcoin becomes more widely accepted as a means of payment, its utility and value proposition increase. Several developments can contribute to this integration. First, the continued acceptance of Bitcoin by major payment processors and financial institutions can provide a significant boost to its adoption. As more companies and platforms incorporate Bitcoin into their payment systems, it becomes easier for users to transact using the cryptocurrency, further driving its demand and value. Second, advancements in decentralized finance and the emergence of Bitcoin-based financial products can increase Bitcoin's utility as a medium of exchange. DeFi platforms built on the blockchain offer a range of financial services, including lending, borrowing, and earning interest on Bitcoin holdings. These innovations expand the use cases Bitcoin beyond a speculative investment, making it more attractive to a wider audience. Lastly, the development of Layer 2 scaling solutions such as the Lightning Network can improve Bitcoin's transaction speed and cost effectiveness, further enhancing its sustainability for day-to-day transactions. One of the primary factors that can significantly impact Bitcoin's price is increased institutional adoption and mainstream recognition. Over the past few years, we have witnessed a growing acceptance of crypto by major financial institutions, corporations, and even governments. This institutional adoption has brought a level of credibility and legitimacy to the cryptocurrency market, attracting more investors and driving up demand. Companies like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Square have already made significant investments in Bitcoin, signaling their belief in its long-term potential. Additionally, major payment processors such as PayPal and Visa have started integrating cryptocurrencies into their platform, allowing millions of users to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin. As more institutions and influential figures publicly endorse and invest in Bitcoin, it further strengthens its position as a legitimate asset class, potentially leading to a surge in demand and driving the price higher. Another critical development that can pave the way for Bitcoin's ascent to new highs is regulatory clarity and global acceptance. Regulatory frameworks have been a point of concern for many potential investors, with uncertainty surrounding the legal status and treatment of cryptocurrencies in different jurisdictions. However, as governments and regulators worldwide begin to establish clearer guidelines for cryptocurrencies, it provides a sense of security and stability for investors, which can fuel market growth. Recently, countries like the United States have shown positive intent in regulating cryptocurrencies rather than banning them outright. Increased regulatory clarity helps attract institutional investors who require compliance with existing financial regulations. When governments recognize cryptocurrencies as a legitimate form of payment and investment, it not only opens the floodgates for more investors but also creates an environment conducive to innovation and development within the industry. A favorable regulatory landscape coupled with global acceptance can drive Bitcoin's price upward by encouraging broader adoption and reducing market uncertainties. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you with another interesting video.